the little engine that could help us out. "Look at me," the little clown says to the dolls and the monkey. "I can do tricks. I can walk on my hands. I can stand on a ball." "Look at me," says the monkey. He hops on his bike. "I wish I had a bike," the clown says. "My birthday is coming. I hope I get a bike." Soon it is his birthday. Yes, the clown gets a new bike from the engine. The clown jumps on the bike, but off he falls. So the clown tries again. Oops! He falls off the bike again. The clown is not hurt, but he starts to cry. "I cannot ride. I do not like my bike," says the clown, and off he runs. "I must help the clown," says the engine, and off she goes. Chuck, chuck. She looks by the barn. Is the clown there? No. Chuck, chuck. She looks by the circus tent. Is the clown there? No. At last there is the clown by the trees, on a swing. The clown is still sad. "Do not feel bad," the engine tells the clown. "It takes time to learn to ride a bike. Try again and say, 'I think I can. I think I can.'" The clown gets on his bike. "I think I can," he says over and over. Yes, the clown is riding his bike. "Look at me," says the clown. "Happy birthday," say the dolls, the monkey, and the engine. And then they all eat the cake.